Enti everyone was a son at Tiadia. That's any what the Santini do when him. Eba. Na Moyeremwa, Babodium, a Beboa Mayeti, NDC to me, I win election. The most important thing is NDC winning the elections. And that is what I'm for. A Beboa near Campum, near year, na ye debia ye 26, 27, 22% near Yano, a 32% near winning election. And you some say, why president? No one in Diano. My year Juma, ma go through the mail. Mete. A memo nasi, mete said ye sum nipa. Not be the president. It's leadership and a sum. And that is what I have that I want to bring to help Ghanaians to make Ghana a better place.
Okay. About on Sompa meter Adea Akye. Mene honorable Kojo Suwofia. O kasa no say per statistics we be the dance say asanteni di animu a boama sa baby amon namase ho no betima pagya
man pacho ma min correct no min kasa statistics this is asanteni di animu statistics ni chere say asantina vote kese wo
NDC nya votes
kese wo enti se nya mo ka ho e betima
agi
enti ne fe ene ne tofam and ne papa yemu say sasantini bedia e betima twe more votes. That is what I'm saying.
Na eno no na wo ka obi say we tribal even word be I don't want to make a bigot. How do you explain that?
Yes, because you bring go for no ka be a tribal bigot about bigot no momunka no kre e ba kupe and you say no kre ba kupe na ka just like what Nami Yu Kumasi, Nibidi Matem, Bisimi, Mimbuad, Minyese, Mintise, Nami Pe, Nitram Fruma, Munanum Cruni. It is a million year, me yan is a bois, habe ye. And Uncle Ford did matem, but then the Mibua Mammy, Crana Mammy.
The crash today, a born the amount.
Enti sanity. What did I mention? I was saying NDC. You need bury near Kampum, near Jipawa. You Jipawa, you fear seminar, you bet me. That is my thing.
Okay.
That is my thing.
Nipa bebre enim koyobon studio to me. What is what do Hunuma or my Ghana no? Also be okwa or NDC or Toaba. But the larger vision, though you hail from here, but I am going to me mau votes no. The other 15 regions, 8 yano paya. Didn't know your NDC delegate or Toaba unconsidered.
Okay. Person Kasambako. Politics are you know. We NDC, a party number. See a bibu, a man answer you need power. And Chichani, a chama obia nyabi. A soon pia so. Yenya one way politics. Yenya say we mu dia na we mu kwa ne control that be and this sane yesu ban etie enti say me so me ba sana enti dia me no now maka say me winning as a flag bearer me vice president no obey votarian obey free voter region why voter region most na mo can say or a stronghold or and I World Bank me friend is how your teacher for and this your teacher and they've been there for us from irrespective of the issue
development or no development
say election you this so for the name almost still chess almost doing it me no sad unity me pese me vote me you know e be you voter for
as a running mate
yeah to me you vote ni amanata because as I say we ye mom so who say amemo no so ka ho nordness Adea Akye Abia sadness fantifo nzimafo yeah amansa nyina party
okay
enya baby baako we ya ne sa amamu no enkoyi nti wo hwe o cabinet na de omina afra na obi afra ne ye adwuma no na impuntuo no so kɔ baabi a ane ase wo bu aban na nya one way nema na ekɔ ha na nema wam dabi NDC yente sa ye ka Ghana nyina bom ama bibia ye wo watch ya some time ago when President Rawlings was there oh yeah Kumasi Limex Bow The whole city.
Abu and Lemex Pow.
They did a whole lot. Oh, them son, yes, Papa. We did a lot. We gave and put to be brave man Santimai. And also it's just because the idea and evening is something. There be NDC your policy centers are. And then I'm person material say in your door and in Kabum and Adea back pretend be a peace and stability in the country. And that is what we are for.
Yes, Samra Asante region. There is a notion. How do you road such notions? NDC for the Obon Passante for us. Minim so to be. And Puntu ya yabo boss in ano. Mayewa Asante region. Why is it still difficult to penetrate?
You see, one, the Bianco Foca, na and is for the Omon Passante. And yan create that Obioba Kabiaba. What did you do? Yatsemu. There was a time I would Kumasia. Me kwamini santini pa na mtimi ba Kumasia shirtish NDC t-shirt and the nanti. Name why we could be able to because Nankofon tea at the nasi. Obitimi ba say now could you boost this year? Officer Himaba now deep among Frafuchi now. I'm cutting the hand and poo. And from day one, when NDC was formed, I've been there till today. With that papa bonu team. And to be person be who say, sir, I dream a shank of food team. Sir, NDC dear, yam pet asantino, and yanocre. Into Miss Ramo. One way na my yana. Monster some. Namu who say, ya tremo, ya approve mo. Say project ya the beba. Ya santini de tiswan so or Bremo projects, ya Bremo no ma enti. I was someone say ya car. Yo, yes, yeah, yo. And to Yama Yakana, Emma Santi. And the dear in the chest, I want to make a and I Santi this so back now, who him dear, over to my Juma, who ideas, who are visioner. Ye be a crying amount. It is Remo, Sir Adrena Danko, Fuma dream, say, NDC in Pass Santi. Oh, NDC for no, yes, so you come home. Because you will be to Sammy. Must me, Pesami, Binya Franca to for you. Now was and Cassie. Oh man, me too. Don't you think I'm qualified to be the president of Ghana?
Yeah, you are.
Me without question, but
you are.
Auntie, Ubonaway Cassie, in a way, Cassie.
There's a within your party, Omaki can't send be my and so forth, yeah.
And then empty the mom Cassie, Omum Pesante for us. But Mrs. Suno, Michel Minim said, Tessa, Nipaka crab in a bear, sir. And it's the same, whom you improve Sandy for row. Now, Sandy for so. Say, Gia, and now Moamu dim, because Kujubun Suba, a Moamu dim. Deity, no matter my pro. I'm a G to me.
How about on Sompa Meter Dianendum? Join us live on Facebook, that is Sompa 93.1 or Sompa TV Ghana, Mene Honorable Kojobonsu, and a Wofia Chinkomo. Now let's look at a little brother picture on the economy. As we see it is here. Ebi mukfi say NDC as a party akoye kasa any accusations, but you are not giving alternative. Kojo Bonsu abe president. You call IMF and the MB before you did the etiamu bebre with IMF. Some mako farm my Ghana kobonu fi yasi. Now they are there. Also call for debt sustainability. Ni hu brofo ni nyina. Umumba mo sisi ase.
I'm a money day and could now, Sans Sabom Kikana, if I say, Ghana, you say, go and chase the dollar. The dollar has done this. Tibamu, you will see car and to see who, yeah, a whole lot of issues. No, any Omoachi, any Omoachi. They haven't performed. And you may pee your home, Kayament man. At that, and in some cassia and Omuye. And see, as I said, Omuhese, a memo enough for more. As I said, Nipana, who do Omanim, who show leadership examples, leadership skills, and also you serve the people. Nipana na also. And yes, also, Momo. Now, Sa Casa Bebe, no. And Boa, Mukasa Bebe, what the almost 6.5 years. Oh, I'm a mono. A day, I said, Ghana. hwe ye nua man ma omko Togo kwaso ye nua no ma omko China ye nua no ma omko Dubai ene dollar no adwane te se sebo etumika etimi nche no anyina fa nti da bia ma aho kire ene eniema bibra bakrom ene okoto ade ne sreko echa ne ko sreminu echa ne kosi echa ne kosi within a short time the economy no aye basa what is happening so eniema ye say peace tama enti so bebu amaya so hwe de obetumaye de untimi manipa no hu no kure no so that oba omo expect say the roof no beba what did they mention
they gave Ghanaians too much expectation
and they believed it kind of OGD because in some no mu kan na so you ska be brave to so you oh they mention enti enye say obedwa wadum e de age power udwa wadum a e so wo ye de fata no so hu say wo ye de untimi ye no menka so be nti say economy ni de ato apansa enene o masa go back to IMF na IMF do kwa muko ye na ni hwe nsi ye ene maboa ye din unto enipa ntimi nya say man bebre ntimi ntu kwan nti den no mbe oh dem nti bema abaya abeba so NDC bai ye ba no e ma nyama ye de ma ye hihye be ye de nanso nyame tumi nti ye betimaye we just have to put prudent measures down so that the system would gradually change because they say no accord to the lowest ebb even see that
Alabama so hunisa
oh hunisa
we even talking just 3 days
so
ago we
talking
about 3.4 GDP growing
oh masa American GDP ni prof kese wa no more GDP no mtiase but the thing is that yen simple yen taku yen kabum ene wade ton ene say obetuma koto ade obeso to ade a ho beto obetuma faka ene ne economy no e man na ti jom ne na ti economy na se hwe koso koso ene ma ni bo ayedi aduane bo ayedi ene etimi kora tomatoes dollar den kotka tomatoes from Burkina a crab or dear part it will be system from Ivory Coast. What did they mention? Say you cook I say a coffee. What did they mention? Tia and yani agriculture I say agriculture minister to me time baby say about it but they're betting 5 cities. Now Casa na yema. A towasum. Come on. The system is totally messed up. So MPP should bow their head in shame and move off. Yes. Almost like system, no?
They are breaking the 8.
It's a joke. It is a joke.
Break the 8, no?
It is a joke. Omo can be eti, omo kika. Ghana for who omo subaya. Omo subayin. Yaka said that Ghana yetisika so yama dollar ne duru 10.9. No, now ube break it 8. Ube break it 10. It is not possible. Never. That is why I am telling my colleagues, my NDC people that omumra mimi team ne beji power no. Ya pamukrof osuro no akoto room. It's clear. If we don't do it and we are not vigilant, ne an tria santi vote na kan ho a ebe dey man. E bi no ka say break the 8 no. Break the day. Break the river. Enye Ghana. The presidency or the job at 2 line. Say Galamsey went to me and breaking. We job at the line. Galamsey went to me and but I always say that this Galamsey issue is a national security problem. And the indiscipline that they haven't been able to curb. And any issues, no. National security, they are not doing good for the president. What did they mention? Because when I say from the intelligence, no call, I know how to solve it. Sure. And now free crowd no munye or free micro. In Siono, I know I say, but I'm saying on social media, Obia sa River Pra. I need to say coffee with the milk kakra gum.
I had to say orange juice.
Good. Now the problem is that are we thinking about the future? Are we looking at a situation where this chemicals somebody who need to create problems for us into the Nelfab hospital, baby, is a cancer. We in your cancer, we in your area. And it's becoming too much. And I think that this Galamsey issue is totally an indisciplined issue from Ghanaians. And the National Security should nip it in the bud. They should deal with everybody. I mean, in Pesameka and Sema, I did to say, we need rule of law, Emma. We should deal with them. Galamsey. You should deal drastically with anybody who gets involved in crime because you see, essay your water bodies. Essay your water bodies. Now, no, say or feel or how, or feeling cocoa premu, a copy, a cobebia,
Fabebia,
into a sermon, national security, woman, for. No, so me to move the Ecosua will be to mass a chat at the end. Very important because a high now. A high now.
There's a national statement from the former mayor, Yemra Kumasi. As a mayor, Ubu on my behalf for the first time, crying, I want to say, now a mayor. Because Ubu, I know, who are no crying, no, above 15 years, 16 years, you know, said them follow. You see, how you'll be out Tuaba, a man, ye, first time voter, over Tuaba. As a mayor, how were you able to galvanize a Juma bit to say, Kayetia, Yen near to radio so? Concern for why you ha. Apart from that, and near my out to me, you know. What was the vision? What was strategy out to me? Yeah. Come on, support you.
It's the power of God. Yankupon in the man wisdom no any holding. Coupled to that, Missasu meaning dear touch na me now. Obakai me yaw because semi hunya maybe ukumasi and I'm a raho. Seriously. Because baller ain't me ingosa. Now vision and I'm one. Me the bar sank and I'm per se kumasi fan into my prefer.
Yeah.
Yes, I know. We see Ambungu. We African Bungu, baby, a joy appear and Nico this and the why lorry station. Yetong agrochemicals. Can't we preserve these things? Maybe Chroma media 600,000 trees. Because of Amanyo 70, Nanko for Shedda, Idiana Uncle Kuchedianagu.
Amanyo 70.
Amanyo 70. On dimension. Now, Kumasi, you should have a vision. Ubana, so I dream be say, Kumasi. One, your ball are number one. Your cleanliness, number two.
How were you able? Because or time. Na kasa pintan call baller.
Yes, because me buy no me share the system. In fact, just about 2 weeks before you appointed me and I'm take you over now. And then me call rounds. Oh Kumasi, because Kumasi near woman. I'm free so I take a. See me call rounds and me who say your problem. They say how much about 3:30. Now, jadi phone. Omina tepa foaba we mu friends ma omina be come back to us
so for swaba
obiaba enti omo pra ho ache no omunya
kwine
empra enti bia kodu ba bia tomatoes go a oso so ade na how much is me papa no ache clean na sika enti clean na yen den no pra fa ho no ko enti omu se fi no a compound work tokro bia e mo hihye gata mo ni nema. It's a problem because air channel na bon na say na ko it be on sanam si no I'll devise a system where anajuno Kumasi by 8:39 and no omopon into yes by 9:30 near start ejuma into 9:30 you clean baby am my fire service for gutters na chokunom din so na ko bloom na a clear into tempiano time on bedu ha no 9 no ana no miensa na kroma f into fino and koso engusu and compound na clear into we are continuous afi na say in the time bia na kronum clean afi so make sure say all the skips, baller chance, all the CC baby, by no pa 5 years, say ball and na fa na empty. So you have to supervise this. You have to be on it and make sure because the Jumano and only with Jumano. And that is what I was doing. Not mean that. And it do times he be CKGTA. There were so many issues. Yeah, I'm see, but people didn't understand it. But then who say what you see? Me no ba omojo medamasi. KGTA for nya medamasi because na montemasi. Eche omatemasi. There was a time a ma be boy who dija. And the proclamation sorry me fie near the nkusua and snaps. Abebru me nuane nyina. Hey. Oh yes, I saw a lot, but nyami to me and in Paibunti, I was able to sail through. Me call court 32 times to be able to build KGTA.
32 times.
Baku Kradi, the judge nearly.
Yes, you can contempt.
Contempt. Call me too. But national law being a degree. What's it heavy? And the people were rushing. But I knew that the market, no, you see, a beboa, into one, ye BBA, koji loan, contractor the aside, or if you want to be near Juman. And Dako, I'm afraid the police, I'm afraid the military, I'm afraid the fire service, I'm afraid the recovery trucks, and I'm afraid contractor. Company, your friend contractor.
Yeah, contractor.
Meeting say, look, Sunday, you be age maybe. But who's a Kumasiano who didn't come in the office? No, I have pay.
Obidiako.
Catch you say, you be age maybe. I didn't give them a clue. So I spoke to the contractors differently. On this Saturday, and I do minimum waiver and I'm catch a contractor and say, they should find fencing or so my fencing. The whole within 2 hours, can they do it? But they will do it. I'm saying, no, so I ordered 8 40-foot containers. In a zoo, Sunday, I'm a Jew. I don't cry. You see, pretty cacare.
Tino be any chrome.
Money power chrome, but still, until you had containers, no. Fresh soldier phone around, police phone around. The zoo, me the 40-foot container for a block one to cabin to me for see. I'm the block one and I'm going to 2 KGTA. Fencing now until nobody can enter. And the car said, my mom instructions 3 days ago so be any BBI free KGTA. Car said, came in recovery tracks is in every. Come and see. In the Anopana, a Jordan of Panko for back could not see, hey. Could you see what you pay for? Could you see or 2 gold or 2 diamond? And some day be but I knew that the development was going to help Kumasi. See, when I did that, trucks, recovery trucks, cars in Africa, that paved the way for contractor to be able to construct. Otherwise, no matter what doing. And what they were doing, they don't come train Monday, they don't the injunction. But I was smarter than them. Now I was also getting intelligence. Now we are doing only intelligence, you can't work. And that is how I did it. And to be honest with you, I was so happy. I was so excited. I was able to do that. The plan that I came up with was 100% perfect.
And today we have KGTA.
You have it.
And NDC as a party touts itself.
And a lot of the things, it was my personal ideas. We that's wrong. When I'm catching, they should do it because it's a lot of things.
KGTA. Na yakosra o mai. Me gidi pa se obora KGTA. E man na de ntoma be se ho amoafa.
And the omo be but see in politics you have to understand. Uni abam. Enti ubasa oboko okra so di permission for aban.
Yes, I quite to say obekwa na quite to say.
No.
Na done politics.
Enti I'm just watching. I'm just looking at what is going on. I see the pictures. I see everything because I knew what was being done there.
Rattray Park, what was the idea?
Great. Rattray Park. You see something how to say if you see driving school, driving school. And Ant Hill, your friend in 40. It's a super brave. And I'm a joke. Yeah, na No, we are a Juma back on. Not just so many Bassan, Tuko, only Bibia, a chrome fin.
A Saturday hotel can see.
So I thought of it, many or then who I could discuss it. Krura. So this is what best me. Hey, and you mean resistance. Me start here. Me start to see designs here because I got two fence wall. Oh, me ba me too quite. Na me call Germany. Me ko pe. Kejeti ayi hun low na. E ko ka ho asem. Ba ya na ebubu. Wo ni na so ko jobu nso see. Or the whole be or ba teacher ho asi. And then I said, we have discussed our assembly. So this is what we are going to do. We got approval from the assembly and hey bibia. Enti no. Na came any provide but through my ingenuity and pressure on things. At that time, na frequent na work teacher.
Yeah.
But me sukra na ko jisika. Abitia workers can na I problem.
Free that time sika na iji okejeti anyina. Oko jisika na say problem.
I problem.
Because I only nya issue pa mo jifi ni nsem.
O friend na no church no ho church no the only time o two kan but I do 22nd not pressure buttons because some of the workers are not paid from the government main salary. You would have to pay them. And do what many workers are here, Juma or Brown team, especially Oman Prepra and Adea or Mama in the workers say Uniska, then you have a problem. So the Ajumana and the best thing. So me share and the contract that quarter and I took over Kedita. And it was bringing me good money to pay the staff. And that one I feel very proud of it because government there and the Jumano the sika brain near the two workers car at the name be at that time near plans to say your finances are so tight because you took for free baby so all the revenue coming in was zilch. So you have to come up with ideas as to how you can make money to pay people. And that is what I did. I believe in my personal self that I came to kill myself for Kumasi and Asanteman, but people didn't realize it. But it was also a learning curve. I learned a lot. And that is what has given me the strength, the ideas that I could run Ghana. Baby, I don't take it as a bad thing. I take it as something that maybe and Abuami. How to deal with people. So when we did the design, luckily, new minister Biokrama Opoku.
Eric Opoku.
Eric Opoku.
Ah, very wonderful. Wonderful.
He was a great man.
My schoolmates, you know.
Oh, sir.
KNUST, yeah.
Okay. And see, many discussion also could do the Jama minimum what this who protecting me. Then even people went further, lands say mini assassin. And I'm saying, hey, our city, what's any document? We would go ahead and build it. And who Kasakasa be assembly for Dimatem, no pretumi do meanwhile, I was doing something. I knew I was going to do something that will benefit the populace and that will benefit the people. Park na to one man can say Uncle Tom San Uncle to Biane and
I done a restaurant today. Dome.
What did I show? It was for health reasons, to relax the body, to go and the kids go. Maybe I could and then and so my idea was that go and your
recreational center.
It's a recreational center, your internet hall. You can go and relax. You can go and do everything, and that was the pain in the whole thing. Dancing fountain, everything was there, and within 8 weeks, na yati can't cry. Yes.
That's a few automatic car.
Almost near ticker. You know, and Uncle Fossey, I projected say the 4 million, but project we are so you have a figure, but it can be closer, it can be even less. And we're able to do it. You know, Juman overnight, oh, them and then Kumasia and 4 schools from Grassi Baba excursion. adisuehunu
Adisuadeɛ.
But the idea that I got, and it's all documented, and people are not following it. Oh, that is what makes me sad, because I just saw a Jubana Tuegu. Now grown in but for health reason, it could help a lot of people. Just so Papa Kokrebikra or Chifisa or Yari or Chispuk. Trump push Chamuko, which is a ham from a fan and you mean this music in Kenyano, sorry, Kostra. What's that? I bet my recruit. These are some of the things that I was trying to do. But Nipa Antimasi, they thought I was just doing things myself because I had a vision and I had a plan.
Was that time Kanye in that Uchaman and Shui Blue Hand and you be on your could Dubai coffee?
That's right.
I know cramming car the last time and show no fountain.
It's very sad, especially when Udu are holding in IABB to help the good of the people. Near saying, sir, me do Ratri Park, I'm to come with the nometrum. Oh, I very sad, but to bend. Memu and a manual. You can't do anything about it.
So what we're able to do at Tonsu Market, Jadie Asante, Asomasi, Uchemo Hone, and a Tafu.
I did all because I had a vision. I wanted Kumasi to change for the better, because Asomasi Market was an eyesore. We hear school now, any job now boom, Nankola Pon school, I don't damage and Kolaka bit by Kolaboni. So I quickly went into World Bank. The World Bank, she come with my any time. I'm saying, we'll use this for this, we'll use this for that, that for that. And that is why, so because of the vision, we were able to use money. And within 3.5 years, we were able to do a lot of projects. A lot of projects.
3.5 years.
3.5 years. And then I sit back and I'm excited. Why am I excited? Because I was able to do it. Inti so even though I did the attempt in Yama woman, 45 me, shamin cry anything. Inti and the papa. Maybe I don't court, Nami say, Nami court, but Nina can't jumano. And you need pardon also. You serve the people when you go into politics and you go into governance. You serve the people. And I was serving my people, my motherland. So I don't have anything against anybody. All I'm saying is that Mesemi pesemi di NDC nim na Franca to for no mo de mame. Na mitri asante votes ring na mayen. Near the winning power. Now, the Indian MPP for Abaye no yet tugu na magana fan into my prefer.
How long would you allow me to do? Honorable Kojobo soon I'm in a church and come na semi tiawa say NDC for Hamo Ghana Momana Quine. Na onto me any morning. Yem Shadi. Then party no penny for and Chebia call branch elections akoso. Constituency elections, regional elections, they'll go for national elections as a flag bearer do. How well are you with the grassroots? Because we are woman grassroots.
I'm very updated with them. I'm not in your maybe church, but I'm on the ground. That's all I want to tell you. I was on the ground, waiting for the unit to be lifted so that we can fully campaign. But I'm on the ground.
Now, what conforms to the response?
Fantastic. Kumasi de, we baby, I'm see where they demu to say free on Jabana. Because a Kujova, I'm see demu. Ye demu. Can you not mention it? But say ye demu, say, like I'm one of them.
Okay.
So vote for one of yours. That's all I'm saying. Inti formally there, Jamame, and Yana maybe church.
Formally there, honorable. Okay, now on the bigger platform, and penny for our party anymore. Same so na ajiwatum. Because also there will be godfathers, there will be people who call shots. yɛwɔ pani bi ɔkɔ ne nase na ɔka sɛ megye wo vision no to ma ɛno nko atumi twe dɔm ɛdi w'akyi.
That is true.
Mpanimfoɔ no nkɔmmɔdeɛ te sɛ.
Oh, ni panyin bi ani asɛm. Misra wɔ mu nyinaa, but ɛna meka no sɛ panyin bi taa w'akyi a wobɛtena na ɔkasa they will pick on him. Nti me dem ne mpanyinfoɔ no nyinaa yɛ fine yɛkɔ baabi a mekɔ bi.
Why are they picking on him? Because it's democratic. Obiara baabi a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde n'ani tua na ɔde tu.
Ɛndeɛ ɛyɛ ɔmo asɛm menim adekoro ntia. But the thing is that me mmerɛ na aso to lead NDC. That is all I'm telling you people. Oh, me mmerɛ aso. And that is the only thing that can bring good votes to NDC for us to win power.
Then a man who said Omraso.
Oh, somebody more check. From 92. My dear I took a stage at when Professor Mills, the campaign, former president, Obama campaign, so me come, me touch me. My age, one at minimum, me tiase. And to be first, as you say, no. We have statistics now. Just a unia Santini and Santifo, ne beto abanga. And if a Santini bishaho, ne votes no. That is all.
Yes, be a obi nyade.
Yes,
be obi akona when to me a man with.
WWT, Massa, and come on here. Democracy can be, namin can be. And the Kabi Mammy Cabino, yes, a time be swan, and fear nine be a montuaba, namun UP. And the time then also, nams me pebi, nami. Me yes a bit me yimia. Na me nsema me kan ani se to asumudia muntu mame.
The woman who say oh samre we yemfa we na enko na beta na chi na nipa no akoko ya wini akakakra bi no awini no and how do you respond?
Yes, and it e obi adwen no. But kabi man kabi ne simfie na bia ne party no constitution just say yento aba yen obi no ndi anim. Nti obi adwen de oka and soon sing constitution of the party.
Okay.
Yeah. Into me, dear, my dream is say, Obia, you're qualified. As long as I think you are above age 40. Obia, with
a sound mind.
With a sound mind and everything. And I believe that I fall in that category perfect. Masum, my you be brave. Apart from that, me am a private business. And you might be brave. If I want to enumerate it, and I am what did I mention? And I believe that the time is up. Nti I'm pray there. Me pray.
Binyanti say waba asantemeru ahode abeto nanim. How was the response?
Perfect. Sir, amamre Santiniba anaha Santikodoko this year. Ukoye bibia. And you say ugu uranintia. Nti me ba be say no. We dream no dear consider number channel. I'm a born money. Perfect. Fantastic. Response was great.
Jama shouting.
Oh, I shall be ba. Hey, now best the article course idea. What's that?
Why you first one?
And then I first say.
Now Ashanti region now.
Yankwada midasipi.
Ashanti region now so. Trust I'm saying walk on it. I need the man, you know, Jesus Christo. Oba udiem a udiem no mo so mu sei
Adea Akye me fe Easter no me ba kumas na ejomfo ma ene omo nyina be di machi se de me po omuta machi. Oh yes, I think so. Warranty. The whole KJT market people, you know, omo your party cry frame me man be kasa cultural center.
Oh yeah.
You know, and the man kasa say could you do 1 year pay because in him say why you pay u bit my and I'll basu a job for your whole toy because me mammy what's not jum or ye juma and all the share school. Enti me dear me feel say any crowd of nya sa slogan could you beba any ye dear mo enti mu dear na aba no and na ebe boaso so me we ni power.
Now other regions, no, since you're on the ground, what response to say?
You see, luckily, because I've been in the system for a while, I get good reception.
From all the other regions?
Yes. Now say, Mikuhu Yana. Yana, Mikochiana, and Mikachi, says, NDC, Epa, Ebiekwana, Merani, or Jimmy Awa, to Mikuhu Gupina, Mikuku San Neruguna. Just say, me na me himfo so me ko nana kwebo wusi me ko nana nkatia just me ko himfo ho dam ne omo kasa and I've had fantastic reception with them. Now the Volta Regional House of Chiefs omo kwa de it was so interesting. Omo busam said dey na mbeya magana. I did a whole PowerPoint presentation to them.
You did a PowerPoint?
A PowerPoint presentation to them, and they were marveled. They were marveled, you won't believe it. Into na si hey, asa wonam sa no onim dia sa nam si Nyankopon. Eni mpaibo na mama bidrusi. Nti I've gotten a very good reception all over. Uta okodu anu in America. You might not like me, you might hate me, but I'm somebody who get the work done.
Work done.
That's it.
You have a proven record too.
That's right. And I don't sleep over issues. I don't sleep over issues.
Okay, so you don't sleep over issues. Tiremu kakra.
Just ejuma wo ha me nda.
Asembe to ha nya afi na kokwasa.
So for one dream immediately. Nti so busak my team that I was working with at KMA. They just say supposed to how much you can free a meeting. And I just don't mean because I was said time akroma no be sorry no. There should be a solution to the issues. But ya na genesi eja atokejitia. Osi o de wa bre o da ma de achi. That's an idea. You have to be there to solve the issues and find
when it comes.
Yes. And that is your job. Leadership and serving the people. And I'm here to serve.
About what you have home meet edu and kron. Na yedi nkomo no da na mre no so ko. Na ebobo modern say by 8:30 na mama because nkomo pi so di wasante mantem ha. Yera kojo bonsu. Nipadom nsema waka nyina no. Ghana sisia pa my one major problem I have mine. We identify who say giving the nod. Because obi betimi aka say hey asem we papa is obi betimi idea eno kra me mo aka che nadam for NDC bi say mo koto about ma.
You see, I'm not here to come and give promises and talk big and get the people to listen. No, because Ghana for who be paying. And so many women say we be
as a casa bebre.
But the biggest issue in discipline. And that one, I want to tackle it as number one issue.
In discipline?
Yes. In discipline, I cover Niama Bebre. One, so I got say issue here in discipline. Number two, if you go on the roads, truck driver, Uchiwa, na abubu ya don't so no na be call the same lane no shiaw. What the time is totally indiscipline. Moto no shiaw abra moto no say e call say o say obia kosa but when you first say that this is totally indiscipline on our roads. Oh them enti macro no ye bibia na say ye catch. And peace is also another thing. Stability is also part. These are issues that I'll tackle first. Now if you tackle these issues, it will follow, it will bring certain economic
gains.
Then next started out they build deba. Until sudden the Bema Chrono.
Indiscipline.
Total indiscipline in this country.
Sanya Sikwa Juma civil servant.
When I came to KMA, people didn't understand me. Because you started Juma 8 o'clock. Obia Mre Juma. Now I was trying to bring some discipline. No man tells you. Mr. Obia Juma on both tie. The ladies should dress very well. Now, biometric clocking in. Can you know? Hear me for no Juma. Umbelina mwa no kujum no kuta na shop until they're not working. Productivity was very low. So I wanted them to come around and make sure that discipline was there. And when I was at KMA, I think discipline was number one.
KMA here?
Oh yes, because people started clocking in. One bedroom.
What the clocking system by?
Yeah, biometric clocking system.
KMA?
Yes. So people were clocking in. So when you are late, then the law gets you. Then what I do is that randomly, I go to office to all departments to department to see who else not there. so that when they bring in the printout of the clock, and I can see. So people realized that, and they were on their toes. You see, in a system, before the system can work very well, discipline is key. Obiaya de opedia, enye. Also a farmer so near the enema. And I think with that, I was able to achieve what I want to do. What I wanted to do, I'm sorry. You know, and from 1 to 2, you build it slowly and you get there. So, in discipline, no, I work wrong. That is why, in my manifesto, I have said that every tertiary education, we are SHS, now we are tertiary, 1 year national service, no, I'm going to increase it to 2 years, but you are all going for military training for 2 years. It's part of my manifesto. No one but this is one of the things that is want to bring back this.
Yeah, we SS we call military training.
SS tertiary education. So
we are national service.
We in 2 years. Military.
We for military.
We go training. No, we a teacher. We are accountant. We a doctor. We are there. You go through that training before you get a certificate to go out to work. And by so doing, it will trickle down. Discipline will come around. Ministries cry, just too sad. Because you that and you on paper the chair next week in the best sign.
So that you ama.
And then it to
ama.
This is serious. Niba penny yari to a medical hospital, doctor didn't say onion into the nakufi. Please.
They buy a wedding. It also has leave 3-4 days.
Leave the OGR, so you have the right
to leave. So what can't be answered? But the buyer wedding Saturday.
So what I'm trying to do, it must be planned, because you are entitled to your leave. You're entitled to work 40 hours a week,
but not off duty. Not
off duty when you have duty. Is this productivity? Under my watch, these things are not going to happen in this country. It won't. Never. Because I'll be hands-on. I don't want to give out my manifesto out now, but you see it at the right time. Yes.
That particular word you have mentioned, indiscipline, I doff my heart for you.
It is. That is what is killing the country.
Because, so what can any other thing? For me, political talk, mommy. I'm telling you a fact.
No, I'm not doing politics.
Indiscipline.
And then, of course, you be
from the head to the toe.
Yes.
Ghana, how you know? To be able to me show leadership.
As a messy as a market. Obviously, Kojo, you need to school. Oh, Nadafu be Yadina, the piano, Nadafu no dinner, chief friend Joe Manasi. On in the nam, Yakuhuno. I dare me tick out Bakumamuno. No, Abba, and now what fancy?
There are twice a
bokro no. And Mra was saying any day. So I'm talking about these kind of indiscipline. Why, yeah, yes, it was the 3 more thing. But yeah, any Sam, I'm funny quite so. You couldn't have fat Nahoof into my penfra. Naku Joe Manas and Joe Swaba, and could you? Naku Mrs. Penny and Nefia say, Naima, and yes, your pacho, and it could you Cassana. I can't do it. If the Lord gets you, the Lord gets you. And that is what we should be doing. But now, and I only but those are the things that is bringing the country back. Utuwe. Oh, could everybody do? My body no trust your book, and I know when I go and see. When the Lord gets you, the Lord gets you. I'm that type, yes. And a lot of people know. When there's consideration, fine. But not when the law is against you. Ukobokro no. What is it kind of chat? Nipakwa kobo no krono. Me offer no. na ba me si o na ko police yin film hey who kum nipa. It's a different system. So if you listen to my campaign, it's called A New Start and a New Representation. Reboot. They say, Mabakumasi, Ashanti region, in fact, be reboot to. Reboot means that it's a computer also now and you also reboot. It's reorganization NDC reboot NDC system. Near Danny near Trinitom Abedimachi. Na yet me the power. So I'm in Ashanti region for my reboot Ashanti tour.
Oh, okay.
So that's why
you're going to be here for saying how long?
Oh, I'm here for the next 1 month. Okay. Pesa sent no jibe bia. No bia ti adwuma me pesa me be. Not rhetoric. Ya kasa now your name. Debi. Reality and adwuma e be.
Form some no form.
E form.
What the two forms so
bia granular. Ko form any form for indeed. So it's bottom up approach, not a top down. The people are the people we are serving. That is why I say, me, Yamami Kwai, Ebe ya, Ebe lead the NDC. We have 275 constituencies. Each constituency, I have 2 presidential staffers from each constituency, from the grassroots, from the people on the ground. Only presidential staffers. Because Ghana, and Puntio, any growing up a mentor, into say, will be free to trim in the district, and a constituency.
No, Jubilee House.
No, about Jubilee House as a presidential staffer. Okobaka, Nkolani be babies try to emulate.
No, problems or form.
Until they give you right hand information. So you'll be able to know. Let me tell you why President Rawlings was so totally successful. President Rawlings, Krobia, you won't believe it.
No, Nipa.
Oh, Nipa. Uko half a sini. Uko Zuarungu. Uko 3 points.
It will be a wow, man information.
Yes. In the time, piano. Hembiano. Asemsia. Also, no information. If you know,
yeah.
And I feel, until Nisika Nina, but you will be Yariwo. Zuarungu or this car command. You find her be Yariwa. It is not the yes philanthropy. So he was on top. BBC policy way Oji say Omzio Papa Odiagro Mubakosuna. That is why he was successful. So
now son at that
form because the people you are serving want to see what you are doing for them. Not coming to sit in 29 Land Cruisers in a
convoy.
A convoy. One Land Cruiser baku, Tundra baku, a Swankunya. Na security to front. I mean, what kind of governance are we having? Come on. You see, I'm a Ghana Yareho.
Land Cruiser di Akunyana now.
Land Cruiser di Akunyana. Akunya Otras. And the Otras are the people. It's so sad. And I say, African presidents echo UN. Most of the European presidents, the Holland president, no, prime minister, or call by train, or call by plane, or commercial. Or do you know? Or the 2 cars spending now. And then the security them going. But African head of states, they be crap. Land Cruisers, they lived in the lavish hotels and I come to Ukrom for. I don't want to say a lot of things because when you say a lot of things, that near my obeyano. So let's take it as this. But I can assure you that I'm going to bring good governance. And as Santifo, yes, Samu, one way in Munja, Mumma kind is who, Nyanji power. No, who say, you bet much them near you bet my mamma near my you bet my mamma development, schools be ye, health be ye, infrastructure bekoso. And I'm assuring you, Mimi Kasa, Minsamachi, Osia, or you.
On this note, let me draw a faint thing to a close. What's your last word to Ghana, to NDC in particular? That's what I'm going to be about. And Ashanti.
NDC for there. Mikache say, if you see my campaign message, Ebie Kwana, see reboot for unity and victory for 2024. Now, Mumian Kamum, Nyankoji Power. Let me tell you a story. That when I was a young man, because now you see people in Yakola. I remember there was a time Ukuchobe Queen, Imoro Gala, and Imoro Gala, any kobodi say. They were fighting for power. Who will come and lead the party? Ukuchobe Queen so up, and Omina came to a compromise there. Omo challenge Victor Usu. And we haven't had a nod now to lead the country before. Omina di command say Papa bi wo France. A friend Hilan man. Monko fanamra. No me di. So because we needed a nod now. They all compromised because it was the time for nodness. To me I am Hana. The two banana. So that is how we should do things. If it's time for Nashanti, Umia from my Nyanji Power, Yaji Power do ya. Ni fiasem. Boni ni me o enkosu yinan. Ni akabum. Ya ye fe. Ni atraso rule power. Na nkrofo bi obviously break the eight. Break the dam. So break the galamsey. You know, and to be catch a Ghana for you ni asante for ni umom timi to abama NDC presidential election ni na misremo. Miso me pese me be serve mo. Misum Timuma me kwana misum because me wo the ideas. I have the vision. I have everything that God has given me to be able to lead NDC.
The name is Kwajo Ponsu. Ohimaba offenso this year. And I me do as say okasa obeba na osasi osie yo na o ma ne fun yemu say ya na de esi akire nkrofo hu no e kasam ne be interview 7:30. He got here before 7. And when he's talking about time and indiscipline or no the kind of discipline hu it mean by ti nipa bebre ye transia ye time to me twam na mama your program na ye stalled near twen wo. Let me say this sir. Oba hansa na 7 able. And which means they are all canon. He's not saying it in vacuum. It's not fluke. Let me congratulate you, and I appreciate that. I'm somebody I don't joke with time. And when I see somebody who is disciplined with time, me who say nipa no, the near brace up so achieve baby. Thanks so much.
I'm humbled, but let me tell you a story.
Tell me.
May he rest in peace, Professor Mills. Onoma musician sadi unini beko baby program no start 8 to 6:30 lo ready ubuza was oh boy I mean I have to go and wait for the people. It is so we didn't here with time there obekwaja odebia. So that is where I learned this thing from that. You are serving the people. So if you say time, make sure that you be there on time and disciplined. And that, thank you very much for acknowledging that.
All right.
Okay. Now, before some conversation, with that, Asantimas, there be an answer meeting of 4 friends. Say, could you board impa? But Asanti a pedocre. We are dear be a moon, but time no sooner than the crane was so I age man. You be yammer. Into Midamosi be brave. You see any kitchen near Midamosi.
Piao. O mama me titi awa me dane mo haba sisia na me ne mabeja fo so ya to aso. nyame ya adom a ekina nso so eye Hajia trouble Mrs. Victoria Asma Jando na tinyi fitaro ma me hwa na me sweetheart ba ko pe aha hekuku awo na nim fia about 2-3 years ago and all boy sudwe no mami we dey oboa o Hajia trouble Mrs. Victoria Asma Jando ekina ye na woda ai ni ho fe keke yeah jai da bia o che grofo bo uni so ebe wi ase na grofo frefre bi jai
da bia ko me ko no ho me ko sra no ene o ma yi bi
tie chon sanye bi ma wo da bia you are the receiving end bia ma chime dasi
se me ko no de media no so ama
me dia na de ko
bia ma chime dasi me de ayi ma kuku enu aso won fan ko so won pe
enti araba kuku a erama jojo Abigail ene wo nananum nyina ekina wa woda no say may all your dreams and aspirations come to pass and may you live to see your great grandchildren Hajia Mrs. Victoria Asma Jando ne nananum ne mana na atundi Hajia trouble na Sunday so Abigail Jando ono so birthday
Abi
so in advance Christian Service University when I call St. Monica's number hey hello big girls
ane
hey me who na che na da wa ko twa the picture wa chire sa ozo so picture dey send dey as a wuti tachire
o ma mi abere wa kura picture
o na ni abere wa kura picture wa ni mu hey em so nko frɛ Hajia trouble abere wa o young girl party
hey
enti Abigail Jando wa hejisi yezumu
yezum kura ma dira
abusuane de ayi echi anyam ne animonyam de mfa ne kwawo tama me na ono anso ogina na so
no no aberewa na akora de he
yo bacho ma anyam nam kan yo Hajia eti Sunday your birthday so happy birthday in advance Abigail we wish you all the best say birthdays ne nyina ni ana ebi ho
wa wona na Alvin Omanhene Yaw
yes Mr. Alvin with the pictures be amount me godson Alvin Omanhene Boakye Junior Monsha so me the pictures no ye na anaman sende asambe nie
Hajia trouble twem
me nana
peku ko amere wa be mu ahwe Hajia trouble
oh Debbie entimi maso sa kachire me di ade ne ma wanye
o ma yi ba fufura won
akola ede na to me wo guy brutal
na de edi mpo
ene ya ni birthday
owo suru sama esuru
wanye ho adwuma waya wie wa hu de wo ye no
it is coming
kachire next time wo birthday be dru ha
ba so
be kan dem ha
o de je ka chire obi no be kan wo dem ho
ka chire obi no be kan wo dem ho de tra ho
ya mai wan so photo ba o de ba mi sa guna o
de be bantem
obi e be di be ga na e photo ko mana na jo
do we have it now
ono why photo ni ho adwuma na jo
okay fato so mame
ka chire obi
mo fanto so mame na
ho kura nwanwa
ye de ne to me eye aboaje oni na ahima omoba Alvin Omanhene Boakye Junior
afadi ni ngina
edini ba ko kra ni wa omo yi to ntwan Allah
pacho why kapupa
pacho pictures na nya ba ko pe o
oyi ni workings no
mo mfa de aka nyina anka ho ma
ya mo ko hu photo shoot
hwe now no me nana what do you expect
na e bro nya na etwe photo mi chroma chim de akofi photo waso so flowers ni mbo mu asi gina ho gina ba ho e de
mi da flowers ni
sere kakara
ready yes photo you cha on ka ready
is that the only picture oh na so kra de ni a
babla we have
ale na edru mi kwa me so me nana so na moye me sa ofia ha
kranya bad kapu
I've sent all the pictures to you kachire why we have next time we catch obi no ye be kan dem ho
Ono waje ayagona de no waje na nadwo no ma ye ho adwuma de. Oba no pa no de abeto tetetesu.
Okay. Abusiafo. Nanka wose e ma kwanya na mo amoya yi na. Ai. Prepaid for no. Yebusa mo se wanya bi atwa.
Wanya bi atwa. Abusia.
ECG for na frɛ no CCA.
Omo
say ye de tudwa se eyi na ba but Ashanti region de mai. Madoko Greater Accra omo de aba.
Eti adentin Ashanti region de mai.
Oko Eastern region omo de aba.
Eti Jumadi na ye die no ye ne Ghana fo ne di. Mo Greater Accra ni Eastern region. Mo mfra mi entie nhwe sa aba.
Ashanti region so
mo de assemble die ne
of day there.
Ye ka
omo solve problem na.
ECG force by close of day no ma solve Ashanti region. Eti mo Greater Accra any Eastern region amunya problem no. Mo ma ye nhwe sa aba. Ansani atoa so ena no pay ye debate a eda ho no asem no ye tiawa say obi fum kuma obi mfum dwa so obi fum kuma obi mfum dwa
akoje ka na bro for say somebody fum kum somebody kum die somebody ya kan bro for say obi fum kumwa obi mfum dwa somebody fum kum somebody fum die and I can't say somebody
when somebody kills by mistake you do not dissect by mistake.
You do not dissect. I don't know what they die ni biya man. I kill ni biya ma.
So obi fum kuma obi fum dwa.
NDC carries.
To what extent?
And them
to what extent? And as I dey no. Obi fi say, ya de sa kasa na to ama obi wo hono ma. No afa so do boni pa.
Okun.
Oyo Adea ya.
Okun.
Wo ya osia. No obi fum kuma so obi fum dwa tifache. Obi so fi say obi fum kuma fum dwa. Next time. What the best answer. And pay some of that prono so a. Ye be dwedwe ho. Ye na nanom ka to ho say e bia na obi konwuram no afa boni e bia emfom so akuma boa bi. Sa aboa no kuna. Say emfom so de a wo so ni so okodwa aboa no. Na ye dai wo wie e emfom so na aba. Papa ni ne na tie wa ye mfom so oye first day vi fum kuma obi fum kuma obi fum enti obi fum kuma obi fum dwa no e boa ya setra e boa ya brabo me pa cho me ma
wasa kire
me nkire mu tie me me fa boa ya mai tie me wo mo aya ne no mu di nkomo no empempi wa nya careful na wa divert na ne ntiase enti me de tuo say ya kwabena kasa akoso ye kasa boa me kasa na wo kasa na se mukura mo divert a o mukura betima kasa asem ye dutu dwa no kwabena kase achia no enti sa vote na ba e betima ye afrim o hwemanim o ne pani net eti ha
somebody fum kum somebody fum die
ye be satin ye wasam yo
na da bi akota assemble
enti ma me ba mo dwedwe ho ma me kwa homa no so aba mo Greater Accra ana Eastern region mo kania no aba give us a call 0551931931 and 0548931931 ansani aba so o enkran mami nti anopai 0551931931 0548931931 can we go to the lines now? Okay, eti maye hunu say o Eastern region and any part of Ghana voter for free na mo nya problems with prepaid se see asante mantem o mo kire se nyame encha do menu anwumre na aba le sum de ya dem na onim de nkofo bi afa ho di chile tailors oh and you are one pump oh friend house oh and prepaid okay. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Sompa TV.
Yes, my dear, patch off free.
I'm a free Yakimoda. Na anya prepaid one from America. Obi fu kuma obi.
We ba cho ye nyanko ho mame. What the card? What the card crave fumakum. Bye. Oh, but money volume in form.
Hello, good morning.
Maybe turn my volume of your TV in conform.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Lower the volume of your TV set, Mr. Lau. TV no volume no was thrown do.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, why you?
I have some coffee because I'm in Coco.
Coffee prepaid you want something to say?
And Coco. I know a Coco there.
Pound.
I it's a bear 1,000. No movie for her. And they
are Bebasa. Mami Corner Special. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello. Hey, Ujina Manuswo. Hello. Yenko. Hello, morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pa cho when ye.
Me pa Adam senior dance from.
Adams. Okay, when you prepaid.
Oh, the way the person can say, sir, challenge fact, the man on the
Me ba cho u prepaid aba. Ah, asembe cred. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Pa cho free.
Me free go the penny come.
Me ba cho mu prepaid na ba.
Me ba cho my aba and not yet.
When you be ato. Oh, why are there? Hello, good morning.
Am I in a chat at the drink?
Me ba cho free. Kumasi obi anya prepaid almost say anwumre na beba yesi Eastern Region ni Greater Accra Volta any omo friend no are complaining and we want to find out say omo prepaid aba anti train. Hello me ba cho hwan ni
am I friend
akwasi free hen
me free at Impuku
yo mo prepaid number
am I or my kitchen and am I
hey any Atimpoku for so dear my. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho Windy.
Medical communication Kufodo Prase.
Mo prepaid aba.
Aba.
Oh, thank God. Okay. Hello, good morning. Mr. ECG Mumfa Binkwa Atimpoku why? Aye, Atimpoku Ebinyai. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Yeah, Jinasu. Oh, Jinasu. I mean. Hello.
Hello, Nathan.
Yami Adam na why ni?
We can talk to Kophobia.
Na manya bi.
Omanhene Yaw na be na problem to say. Ebra, yam to like na me talk to cities. We are two no make us on the 35 for 305 na Emma. It's so I'm the problem to anyone week.
I can't tell you about the tax no 27% no.
But when she said I tell me say it was so many like to say 2 billion na.
I know they are some minia.
I don't want to see you say we need to fix it. 1 week to get in plan 1 week.
The cities.
To take this man 1 week.
I can't even talk to Sumo.
Me ko ta fa mi si ati me ta fa we bi amina mama ta six na na me tono o ti me ta fa I am na it's important you just to know any 1 week
yeah asamaba
no money ba na dey
here hello good morning good morning okay Mami Fancy here at least it's been confirmed. Now let's get to our issue for discussion this morning. Now me who be a obi agina. Kwabra ma me ndi kan sha se wo ho. Akoso aje wa kan ho betena se. Na yeah, I say so. Kwabra wo gina he.
Me de ufum kuma me fum adwa. Me ta wachi.
Akoso aje wa. Okay, Yaw.
Akunta obi fum kuma afache no nya hwe na broken heart krasi atim.
Wo hini ni?
Me fum obi fum kuma enfum nya.
Okay.
Hey, now prepare there.
Peda na ka to say me akosha. Say me kura me ka say na. Wa she gini ma we ye subi adin ba ko wule. Ti kura na me dwene me.
All right. Ya boama akosia jewa ohini ni kwabena hyase ne.
3 against 1.
Hyase.
Oman ewiase obi eheda de ni to ho di bone. Wo ka yeso wa bodam. Nipa no wo di wo bone pa wo ka yeso akwa wo na adwenye wa heda. Nti ewiase se wo heda bodam a ye heda pam. Me sa wo ye ho se wa bodam a kire me heda pam.
Amo so wa bodam
chen. Wo bodam da ben a wo ro wo. Wo sesa ne ma wo fom da ben. Nansa kwa na wo bodam ko efie de be chi wasie kura na yasem keto ti wa bodam me ma bodam chen. Wiase me wo fum kuma me fum adwa. Yes, obi say ya ka chen say wo say netene no. So ati ase. Nti sa kokram no wan fere say obesi me hunu so me ya cha wa me de sem na me fere da bi. Omanhene me de say wo fum kuma me fum adwa. Enipa bere ya yesa o fa che no. E na wo ba ja wo na agu sre so a e na ye ntwa ye pepa no aka na tententente be wi akire na ne kuro mu dwantoafo hene atutuntum agu so he chaw no na matechema be pa chaw me de me so metean. You do me, I do you. And then we are saying, I have a pay was in the paying. You can't play. Hey, and we are so before quiet from the media. My name is Major Charles, I'm coming in Jachel. Major, you know, money in Atro. Yes, because we all had that partner, need the whole part. I dear Media or mine, Cobram, need to pass idea in yet.
Well, you know,
no more, yeah, no, yeah. A very rich, and I'm a fan penny for. No copper, my natural mammy. Me, I'm so many inside. Or my hair, if we are so big, you cannot soon to our header. So bid you can was in Europe, ye, or mine to be one for mammy. Oh, come on, if you header. Because we are Saudi will become a bonus of crowd.
you bo cry na or they will kana or no cross this kana koya de be benefit.
Yes. To a head and a side power will be from Kuma and Fumuja. Omanhene, what the air shall not go for what Kwamo or more necessary scanners will be taught. Next will be taught. None not go for who said yes, can say Yabo Matoa. And to you say Yabo Madiba hwena kofo so musu ubi e full license to me gra me chimi hwe sa wani mu kura ase sampa ko pebra wo kana kofo asem no wo se sika ne hye yabo babotom e na ode ye gagai e na ye twa 1 month de 9 month aka ye ntua no wo se sika ne wo yabo ama ho a wo de topato ogu no kam e ya kasese mu kurum ha boss wo de kan ko me de beche no
boss de kan ko
dabi enti wo de ye nka no kura se me kwabena kese de sa wo fum kuma me mefum adwa meyi ne kase no meyi ne brebo no meyi bonworo na firi ho na meyi ne ngoma na hatam e bre so a me de nkyira hye no na me de wo fufuo kura di a kire wo se na ni abere che ho. I'm telling you the fact say me wo fum kuma e kire me kwabena kese ya mefum adwa enipa be bra tra ho sa ye ho e na mo mpra ba de mo kya di agro na mo bra ba ye basa ewi aseso de nya hwe abonsa wo mpra ba na de uche e di agro nya hwe ja no nya hwe bonsa no asa eche no na wi ase wa pampam nti obi ye ne ho sa wa bodam a nti ese wo hye da wu a e heda siew o ma hia no pa wo de heda da hodin se wa wu se antam wan ko he mo chiri se se what I say wo do pa da hodin se wa wu enu ti na tete no obi wu atimi de nto ba 2 days e hwe so be nwane a but na wo de ye din se wa wu hwa de 5 minutes mo ti ma ba be so mu se se a nti me kwa bana kese de in short ufum kuma bi medwa
Ohini.
Yo, kwabena se mo kan na mde kakra to ani so na makoma sem so.
Ada wo te won te wan.
Dabi men tete me wo mi wo. Dabi mi wo.
Ese a obi fufu a. Ubeja. Okay, wa sara no. Meja.
Mami.
Ese a so ano.
Mami bi.
Yo hini ni ye ide.
Ase o. Dabi ya tie be boa yin. Mami bi ni kwa rensan ya kan onyansa no. Headmaster will be no da got them when him guase. Mamma ne mo chirema ko hye ho. Sada obebo sa odbeba on fanish on fanin to. Da man so. Papa no boy penny kukuru no. Tinani so ti no da ba man so. Wo sole pena mo chirema sa mo na mo yensa mafo am wu am nyama adwe sa mebo papa. Wo fosi mi mu wo so wawu. Me so wawu meku dem a. Wo bron papa ye pie ye. We a wo ba ye. Ene ye so we TV no ohunu se efun kura be TV so anu adum no. Na oman enye no wasem ne be kana na pe wajai kura
that's where nyai
recently ya news bi dweso maami bi oni akora ate akora na wia maami no 5 million allegedly anwoma so allegedly maami na nya botre wa wakora ne sika ku ya be che no maami no enra ye news bi abrantie ba mu wa te say abo amafe no obo ne bra ne ba koda mfie nsum minima de kura ne ye wa bra kura no akuru na ohwe ye compound house na ye de hankof agu bra ne nsa wa pagya na ne ahwe ne de ntoma kyekere ne ba no ho ne ye di na chia akura ne fumui pap kolana fumakum won sabotira wanya wakodwa nti ukoda fiase hu enti bi wo a fom no de wa fom akum but dwa no amane de beba no wo man eso sen de wokum ye no enu nti na mpanifo nim die mu no omti nipa no de wa fom yes but one hwe ya na wadu se ukotwitwa na samu ebeba no ebechen de di kan ya aba no enti fako ma twaso na won fa na sam ni kuntu na ho hene enko ne baabi na nso nya wasomdwe yesi ano brebre e ma ba to obi apagya ba na odi ba so me pa chew na odi aba no na odi ato enti ye wa ho akwanya se de nipa na ye wo no ubetimi aye bi atua ne ka ba sam me mete am stand as a believer gidi ni die me de obi fum kuma me fum nwa tro na ka kire me enti se me de babro no be ya dwuma na me di me babro no ni na me di me nyankopon amagina di ni ndia nana obi afumakum emu oya but me fum nwa sanse tro no nkire me sa ena ma hwe ya akoma no ahuri de me de be kwa akoye no asudie ni ye na ebe ba me so no ebe kyen nipa no ye nkasa wo ba no nti wakuni nti o my Ghana mrade wo be kye wo obekwa akodam ye nkasa kwala na ne nete ene wo fa usika no wakunu nti de wo be kye wo obekwa akodam wa bra bo sei wo ma be ye basa fa so pe pa ne ba so a wanya ho abotra ukofum ya ukotwitwa ye no yesi aduane amemu ye ma mi mchi aho ye chiri ti wo man we de me ntwi twan bia me de me fa ni babia kodo ne beba fa bia da e wa puyi so babia mi gina
okay yaw
ahunda
na mi ti
obi fum kuma juja obi fum kuma
ba woni de wo
ba jana man kan
ya wo ye
ba mi ti
ye a so se okoba bi na me ba ho a me di me green ba me say no
what do you green free
me di me green free ho akoto obi fum kuma juja wiase so bi fum kuma ene ye Ghana ini ye wiase a yetimu wo de sa nya hwe na Ghana ese no ko bi fum ku ye ni ye dwaya ye dwaya kenu ano akota o ka se Yesu Kristo ne ma ye tosu mienu no ba bede
oba ne sa na de
o awena de na oba no ba bede Roman fo no bro mo bro ni nyina oba buom bi che Roman fo no boa o mo bu Jesus Christ nyina no wo so oba ne sa na de
betika
obetika wonya mo hwe no mo bu ne se prepare ne se na wo so oba mienu ano oba be hwemu din oba bum bi enti Yesu Kristo kura no wo so obewuji minu mienu nkwa no wo so obeba ne mpre nu so wo so oba ne sei oba ne sa na de wo se kane no wo de sensuo ne ba wo de ja
TJM so ba na we na de JM so
fare ko ye fare kala se
go itakuta ewiase ne de yesese ye de yew na anya wo ya ye nya wo de faye odi ye wono a o nya hwe jama ne kana so jama na ka no next time obetu wani na utini wo ho na be hu se o no se o kasem ti ne Ghana ya yeti wiase ya yeti odi dwa no so dwudwa odi dwa unseswe ye kroma se obi anani e den won fa boganya swine won twema ma e rough won anim no o akowe de ne suban basa we de won ti asemase we de ne live yi o mpenipa o wo bo anye mpenipa won twema o de abedwa no wa chiama so hu ye so ye se ntafo no mo nti asemase won twema na me ka ntafo se nya bo mo ka
asante phone ho anwafo yare dilo bi ka tani
akuta
enya problem kra
ye tie ne se ene ye wiase we no obi funkum dwudwa if se saafo na ye ne omote no saafo no a untimi mfansamfu bi nkofo na fichiri
next time no nipa na nyɛ sa bi
onye sa mistake ni bio
ebi so a ukodwa no akodwa abro ekum no
akotadwa
ohini ni ka sensunsan so e de beba na bi e kyɛn
ye se fa ketwa beje kese meboa wo de ketwa ne bae no wo de ketwa ne ba no wo so wo sia kyɛ wa ne ma wo se wo keka kwa na uko pio efie bi mu ni se ne ebesi aye wo no umfa rough nko bio bodam ni kura bodam ni akonta se bodam ni di ade ball na wo so ma bi so de bono a ne dam na teko bodam ni a wo so wa bodam a wa bodam no a
wa area ho kura
bio area ho bio bodam ni a wa bodam so de ade ball na wa money bi na wo jai se wa bodam a obesa dia ball bio de bio obeba sa fie no obeba sa area ho ba bodam ni no ball na so bon mani ko no mu a area ho kura wonsi wo bio eti Yesu Kristo kura no anya ye nyame ba no a wono no wiase nyina ye ne dia no wo se ne mra ne maye tosu mienu wo ba ne sa we na de Roman fo ebu o mo bu no a wa anya nipa hwe a wo mo bu no wo ba bete ne ho na mimi nipa
Yesu le ga yo so bete
na kuta wo so wo ba ne sei
that's why gas wo ba ne sa obebu atai
wo bebu atai aye dai uso no ne boy on fe bo ne ncheye meboa on ne boy yi
so ama okwan
akuta o ma ekwan ni yesi still a stop academy ene ye ko ye de bone no ane ye beye ye bone no ka Yesu Kristo ka de koso ane fa cheye bo si da bi o wo be bu atan wo de ye ko to bu nsam gem ame ase ade no fa ncheye
be ma o sha gni up and down
mani karase Kasel.
Kasel. O ze wono.
Me wa mi o.
Kasel. Wono. Ye na wie na me kwa kosa.
Etini ete ne se. Ye wiase a ye tie yi. So de nya hwe German nka ene ne. Wonti subi so. Mponchi nya ne ma ne sai.
Yo.
Nyene ma ne sai German nka kontani ye na galamse yi ye da so ti hu galamse ni ya se ye nsase nyina eye ya ekobi ko ye bie ene ye kine edna ye jeli no a eko ye nso ni nsase nke mo wa aisha wan eko akwa asaba
abefa lawyer nyina
kwa ba be hunu Ghana ni lawyer aba be fa no mo no susu di ni gira court a wo ko de ma ne se chinchire ma ne beli akuta ti aisha wan ye na ki edwudwa no because Ghana ni ntibi nko China nko yes ade wi ye beku ade a China for dia akọ corruption pa na no ye say China so mo former president bi o so mo former vice president bi o say minister bi wo mo yesisi enkoku no say dey because sika bi a wadi
$25,000
yes and wadi ye kunu yes omo kuno na say dey obebi o China obi fum kumu a akuta dwudwa na Yesu kro oba bete no ho
mo agosoji wa ayesa agosia
seke ro ba na asesa
agosia wa mitio
yo o ma me da si na empanyimfo nsem a o mo keka to ho no o ma ye bia wase na emu odupa sa obi fum kumu a obi mfum nwa no o ma ye no kretudo eno na ama nani papi no akwa akodi afiase wa branka ade no esi ye no enko nya ntoboase wonya abotere adwene hu mienu a enkene nya ne senke na akwa akopie afiase wo ma akwa afiase na wo bisa bi mo mfom so a won mo ye ma mo kopi ho no mo a dodo no afiri obi fum kumu a wo bi fum dwa no ho nipa ne fum ye no ene ogina na bufuo so kodwaye ene na kopie mu afiase enso nko nya ntoboase ena nko tena se dwuna asem no mienu a wo man ke si ekosi so pepepe na me nua ba ka asem bi mene ne ya adwene 100% se wo man se obufu a is better san ka ba ka wano atum enkenya hwe wo bufuo na chi no a obo beto wo yemu no na decision apeso oteki no ateki san se obufu a ba bi adwene ne ekọ no ana na ba bi nipa de da o adwene ne namba bi kura san se ba bi a adwene na kwa akodi wa abufuo no so no eno na hye wo de wo se wo ye eno so beye bewie no amfo ankopie mu afiase a na de wakwa akopie mu asase ase na wawu na wo hye fom na Yesu Kristo kura wo man ebra ya bu na okwasa asennua no so se de agya facha wo no anim ne wo ye na wo betumi agina ne tumi so aye de obetumi bia ma won ma no ma obu ni nyina da wo man ka asotwe ya sefata nko de ama wonom yes
mani gasam hello mani akosia kasa
so ma wase asennua no so no
flow ako
e wono wan wase agya facha won no anim ne wo ye
preach on baby
e di kire ma na kasa wo bi fum kumu a wo bi mfum nwa na nko obetumi agina ne tumi so na oye de obetumi bia enen panyifo ka se mi counselors ne kromu da so ka wo mo se be ma na so oba wo kwoto se obi butu yere so ana obi butu ukuru so no ne da won pamu a ebetumi anke ho no akora no ko hu a entaki decision menim be ma bi okoto so ne yere ene obi da e woni da mu a wode hu abufuo wode ku be ma no ewi akire no so da afiase
mekun na me beto se wo butu me yere so mekun
obi funkum obi mfum
ya
obewie na da afiase
mekun an ye gyina enko
so na wo ye ye no ebetumi aba so oba no kwa no
ya ba hold your fire
ade wo no mu a esi for a reason ba ye nipa na ya na ye ntiase ebetumi aba se ho no kura mpo no ye yi nyame yi oba ne suni ne ban de akyerew eno ma wo be pie so se hwe wo ba no a wo se wo do no no a wo de wura ahye ne muo no se no wote ena akwoto so feed gadochi e wo dem ho na wo anya ntoboase na wo de seka akwa wo be ma na okunu a e wo no afiase no abekwa akoda no obeba no oba na ware foforo na sa wo bi fum kumu a wo bi fum dwa no a wokoye ye no na de wakwa akwoto afiase na wo ba no a wodi na chie no wo ma no akwa ware wo bi foforo wo bi fum kumu obi mfum nwa enyina wo bufuo so ntaki decision enhwe de obi ye so na nkasa de nipa ne ye nti me take decision bi ahwe be wie akire edo kwa akopie boni mu wo bufu anyantoboase na bro ho ase na hwe bufu na chi no wo mai take decision e be boa obi mfum
me de mefum akuma nopa obi fum kuma medwa awia medwa anadwo medwa ahomache boss opese hunu so obi fum kuma e fum dwa pa ya hwe aprosifo wo de opa drive careless na prosifo nhia wo say o ma hu na me ye unnecessary overtaking bi wa ha na omo nche hwe so mo de wo beja wa omo de wura yard ne mu a
na ka say from so
ntomo fa nche no ana say wo de wunya asem na akwakoto a na ka say ye bonsam ti judge ne yaw obi fum kuma dwa why dwa opa na kwase for di no ma bo ne yi ka se na yi ngoma no ya na e me papa me ko so gbo ba hu se ma hata ngoma no wo ha o de nso no fa se be ya empro ma bo no peg se o be ya sori wo so o jakra be ya sori wo so na ka zo odi agro what I say o fuku ma da
kwara o se
me se obi fum kum a me na nkwase fo no bi se kan no no wo mo ameboa wo na dwa na yi ne nka se na
hata ngoma no ka so trimodi o
yeah me trimodi na de wo de ye me no enye ni pa de wo me akona akoso e kazi ma menkan no ha wo kan bible no ba bia no wo kase jafa che won onim de wo ye no obuo mu beba no mo nte ase wo de ye din mo nye do me kwa ba kana no wo kase wo mo ma
so de ya bo wa aje
yes wo fun kuma dwa aye sa wa bra bo be sei kwase asem bia obi de beba wo so right kwase asem bia obi de beba wo so
all right Omanhene
the director no have cars techimai ono yetwafo hene ne mranti brem na nani so ohia na nani so ohia be ka say obi o etu training ese na ona nani so ohie but obedi akonwa nti akonwa na temu no na classic nso okwan out say station ye na wawafo ni bi twam na obe park ona nana me ne tie no so tuko oso floko foreigner mo bankrofo krom na betra na be hyehyem la mai no say hey me was na anya fare na otu no hu ya Ghana ni ya wo hu so ekoko no na dwen so ebronyini me director onu so onu akonya no kra na na ba fom na na wura inside no ko wi chei lucky eni ejana no kra boys ne wo no wo mu yi passengers ni na gu fom na ne boys no hwese na no makọ asole amebam de taxi wuram ewuram wa fo ebi gina ni mo na me kache mate so ko so froko krasi ni ba se mi gina ho na me si free taxi ni na me confront on
na se ne o hini asoma o kere so obi funku ya wudwa
na me ko na nim sanka wonka sa asem no se mi gina we
na ukojwa
sinia
chaka ukojwa
okay eti mi dru ho no me yesa me ko no na ofa de o wase he oton ka ho ne me no ba no so hene jai monfa na semonko because said na bufu ana me de ko no ka me be na ka papa na sum
elder
ka papa na sum na eda mo esoso so hu ba me betena ase no me dwen hu said ye eda mo ye no eye se me twa so o ma kra ba out e frɛ me na kra ka se ya bibi sa ma me mia kami ko joy na me ne ba kani ko asem ka ujabi me se me pena anya omo na suso mu se me
ujabi
ka me papa
ekra ya asen ujabi
ene ka me papa na ka me fa nche no
ujabi
se me tini be di matem stadi ka me papa na ni so ama no because o ya kola me metumi awo no tika me bono asemada but wafa ka kire me no mi jae ukura bae no ukura nso kan so hene ade bi say ya nyabotere me ba atwade na aba na sofu maame ya tete me shirt na me blaze ya we atre no
you know say because of problem
aya kalanga na mi kira wa na da social media no so ya juma no pe me ni wa ya tie ye ke ni mo nyam we
kotofo fra
ke ni mo nyam we
all right Yaw
akota obi fum kuma ye bedwa ne kina ne ye dwane ne o se wo me koto so obi ebutumi yire so a mejidwo ne me yire ni nyina na se ne momo keke de ne gesa akola kro ofie no ye bone a eni kwan se ye tia no fi se obi fum kuma obi nwa nye sa ngesa akota so obi fum kum na obi nwa akoda ye bone wo fie ntia no teacher ni wo de akola no kosku na teacher ni ebo no o se teacher ni ye ko kire tum teacher ni tia obo se ye ko yes ne say so be fum kumwa sa akola na yem fum so Bible say no twese kan no oye de
owo sika no
good na akotade enti na Bible kan sa ni o twese kan no also owo sika no a no be fum kumwa o se ba mi nkoda Bible na ne ye de bobra o Bible no ene ye hweso
tubeja akosia
meju say ham
akosia finally afei momra homa no so na yentie mo nso 0551931931 0548931931 akosia concluding
my obi fun kumu a obi mfum nwa ena no adwo so teacher ni a maami ya wo se teacher ni di apaso ato ne batiri wo ma
besiase
okwahwe teacher ni ena he no wo
remind
obi fun kumu a obi mfum nwa na teacher ni no wo tene ne ba no na so maami no hu se de teacher ni ye no eyemfom so fine na so ne mfom so no ye no maami no anya ntoboase anti wode ntoma si ne bo ekokon ma ne ntokwa na chi no ene oda remand ebi anko nya ntoboase a enke ba fom ma no otimi take decision a enke beboa no obi funku obi mfu.
Okay, join us on the lines and let's hear what you also have to say. 0551931931 0551931931 0548931931. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Cho my NTO anopay.
Pacho, your friend and Anabasa from Casafria Kwanta.
And I'm already on our TV in from Pa Mami why?
Matros.
Aha, Casa.
This is a D. Yabama Yapa. As you be from Kuma, young Fumano, and yes, I went to you. There was a pine fossil at him. Nti yese obi di ababo ba oso ko ya ra de se ka ku twakora nyesa na kan
eti obi funkuma obi mfum ya me boa
yentu
eno ano no. Hello, good morning. Boba no mama na yentiem. Hello pacho hwani
pacho fm Orlando ngaze fi manso
Orlando yentio anopay
pacho mi de obi fun amefun
eja okay. Hello, good morning. Morning. Hello. Yeah, why nie?
good morning
Morning. Why like I say?
I from the Dimkasefri Boakye
Yo, my entio.
no ma ke me kan say bu kuma so fuga
And one also be from Kwao. Hello, good morning.
obi fu ko yen funga e be boa yen
Pacho why nie? Hello. Okay, Makino. Also be fine. Good. Hello. Pacho, Oba Homano so I am entone. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Pacho why nie?
Yeah, me Pacho family ko ku pempo ka say please say jamape.
Akukasa.
The person Kenya say that for 4 years nya be the omo kan ho de me no mo nya adwene. Can the person say the Bible can be fum ku a ka be fum ya so do mo kan can be ma boa.
Okay, thank you very much. Hello, good morning.
Fine morning.
Pacho why nie?
Boa Judy look at you
So I my mentio anopay.
obi fun ku amre me fum dia e bi je Judas we smile ko share one ko.
Judas yi Yesu man nya no okose no mako.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pasha Wani.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Wani.
Pastor Sompa.
Sompa ni wan e ka say.
Mr. Ebo ni.
Mr. Ebo ma yenti wa no pay.
Mr. Mo show program no na me pastor ka.
Oh, so Mr. Ebo a.
Obi fu ya no. In case obi apomo. Na say o de ne family kwa so ma please for eche no ana bibisa. So obi fu mo a mfu ya so no so e be ka ne say.
So wa fu ma dwa, ka be ti ma dwa no hako.
Nti ya ka say obi fu mo obi fu ya no. O de ne family kwa so wa fu mo dwa no. Ti ni ya.
Enti bas opende e fa na ugina.
Obi fu mo kuma mo dwa.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, Omai.
Pacho Wani.
Akwese wa tasi de beni Omai.
Akwese wa mami ti ano pay.
Omai, bonia bani petrim, ene bonia bani petrim pa. Intino obi fun kuma me hona meja.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho Wani.
5 p.m. Omai atima kotia.
5 p.m. mami ti ano pay.
Omai ufun kuma me fumeja.
Jawa. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Why ni? What program no so one e ka say? Okay. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Me pacho, you be call another line. Hello.
Morning.
Why ni?
Morning.
Entie TV no kasamete on kawai. Hello.
Good morning.
Bacho entie TV no kasa. So bi fun ku abedai.
Obi fun kuma kuma.
Eja.
Meja na.
Oso ndo obeji dwa na kete.
Good morning.
Good morning dear. Why ni?
I just tell me thank you.
Yo sali. Mami ti ano pay.
But Obi.
Hello. I Yanto kasa ni ye ma one so.
Kuma o so fun ja but
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Why ni?
This is Dominic.
Dominic, go free him.
Because I free Kumase.
Okay, Dominic, my interview.
To me, I would say 2 wrongs does not make a right.
That's right. 2 wrongs doesn't make a right. Sana Bruni Kano.
So thank you. So.
All right. Toby from Kuma Mo being from Munya. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Me pa chow haini. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Me pa chow haini.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We got to check company in the division.
So I got see my interview.
Obi from Kuma also Muja. I'm not from the Bible on the bed. Obi is the president. You don't come up on a sense.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba chow haini.
Me pa chow fana.
My interview no pay.
So. Many but not be
okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho haini.
I'm black can think well.
My interview no pay.
I'm not fun ja why.
Mate, also men fumu ya. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho haini. Boakye interview.
Obi fu kuma kuja. Ohe no ko ku nurse ni no. Any power body body and I say,
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba cha hwan ni.
At service man.
Mami ti wa no pay.
Kaka mtese mekanise. Ya kaso bi fun kuma obi fun nja. Etisa. Enen ka tisa de enen ka yi kaya nya prison mana nya mawo. Jiso fun ye no. Ya de tun. Ente ya kaso fun kuna fun ja. Beja.
Hello, good morning. Hello. Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Me ba cha hwan ni.
Me ba cha KB ni. Me ka se flip and chrono.
Okay, KB mami ti o.
Me pese mistake ya dey clear wa. So ya ka se obi fum kuma obi fum ya no. Obi fum a je se nipa no nim ye wo ye. E mi fake no ye. E no fum ti se so ka se obi tia no so ka. E je se wan ka sa no. Winim ye won so ye. It obi fum kuma ye fum ya. Be da se bi.
Be da se. Hello, good morning.
Hello, Akamai. Good morning.
Morning. Meet you.
Akamai. Bacho. Obi fukuma. Eso uja. Eso uja because most now say obi boss no body.
That's a most right HM. Yes, hello, good morning. What me do for? Hello, good morning. Hello. Me ba cho hwan ni.
The from na number kum ka se fi kronom.
Ala bo kum enti o.
Ken sha de bi wo ha se. Asam na ye kan e ye fom man said that na me ye. Enye bo apaye. Ndiye hwe ni e ye fom ja wan said that. Ye ka se de twazo fom ja ne de obi ade ye bia wo so tia nso ka de bi.
Na me ba cho at one point in time na wo so be hu se wan sheda. Be wo bi timi bo apaye bibi wo se wan sheda.
Fom e ye fom ja. Enti wa fom and the zones or a boapayan or ye.
Okay, and you obi fum kuma obi fum nyame bo a.
Obi fum.
Eno anu no a. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, no, me ka se fi Western North, se Boakye.
Western North, se Boakye mi enti o.
Yeah, Omanhene. Se obi boapa efun kuma, me boapa aja.
Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services for years. And I have to your bossy. Near de enupa. Aya heba nubrane ka hodwo. Enuantri. Any near nyaki kabom near de sayade. Uma me no papa na obusuani na odofu bi stroke de ne oda ho setting. Anyu dwe no. Fakodan Grace Gift. Diabetes. Moja broso. Hypertension. Hepatitis B. Abu diabetes. One free alcohol. Typhoid fever. Malaria ulcer. Peptic ulcer. Prostate cancer and enlargement. Penis enlargement. Doctor na de beton and sem. No one share no bibia no de drug kanamana pija. Yewo oba so ebi awawo ama wasi bie. And that's when infection, yes, infections, no team my mana CBA, the no what the friend vagina steaming. A baby I'm a codon quana, a crocroa kama, now boy chuma. One bre one pem facodano. Sexually transmitted diseases in Yanada. Oshim School Junction, Barricasi, Quino so. A Boakye Gao Fuel Station, Bohien. Sansusuna, Family Life International School. And no, yeah, new Achimota Petroleum Banglo, you didn't do any more pay. Friend 0543, where your doctor number 0543 320030 0543 320030 and 0244 126 123 X5 CBDD and we can say a year be now pen a quick fix be and I say a diane papa be now per dia a X5 restaurant and pub. Now the area say wedding parties, funerals, all social events. Faber dying, Yama. French fries, special fried rice, banku and tilapia, emre and wa, Akrantie Sunday pa TZ papa bi ni omutuo session nipa dom ne kobo peso no mu didi no bia so didi kama a serene environment cha say yesa so wo conference hall fa nipa be 100 to 150 so person your partyเอาbe hu a ye be bo anya ma oduane pa na bibia ye dey akoso kama one family clinic ye now ho do na pace and e dokro wo waist pains, thigh pains, neck pains, back pains. Enya bibia na wote pain wo ni pedua ma ye no paracetamol. One family clinic kwa ye be nhwehwemu na exclusive herbal treatment, massage and physiotherapy, laboratory services, ni asaso de futu atros ye friend guidance and counseling. Patasi Estate Junction. Brother Mans ura ye kwada so estate na obohu se honomo ene ewo Chifo pra so asinfo su aguna so edro ena mankasi. Mr. number ni 0546 68 17. 0546 68 17. 21st clinic. Aya, expert in sciatica. Obia jiatum. He, me se me mame eya dansini. Me de akua sokọ ho. Efri ne to ase be prim mo frema na ju nyina na osu. Be de ne call Shan overseas Alpha Radio ho ye de to machine you so hwehwe ni mu a twetwetwa no lab ne ade ewi ase a no mse ye mema oduro okọ ba ko mienu miensa akua so da no ho denden ne ho aye fe enti sciatica de me kan na me wo example am de ka ya de ahodo bia ukopie 21st clinic ye beboa enkokọ atani ata stadium main gate enkrai Adea is the God America House. Overseas. Samson or Boakye Council Quarters, call Junction will be here. 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. Nyame Adoma, Echra, as a common pong. A year back, who can see a pa. Ya, it's never quite you as common pong. Why? Okay. Aye. As come on pon say say you krum ai ne enko na eye madam Agnes Yeboa onyamfia de osonum ne ba ne Benjamin Yeboa dodo na afa na nantwi Aptel Enterprise Kumasi na Aptel Enterprise omo na DSTV omutimi omogiska na omatua kra ma na watua ma omo ope decoder ne ade a Abrantie no na ye CEO ono ana hwe medical da asem ni ade nyina nyame ya adoma madam Agnes Yeboa na nantwi mame baso asafosnet yes kwamo burial Saturday no kwamo demom ye ne asukore mampon very good ena ye besa betenase kwasi ada ye ko na asia sori baso a ebusia ne besa atenase wasukore mampon nti ye nhye ne so se nyina no e ba kugya na nantwi na yetimi akra this year yawie mpomponso nana mpomponso se otamechi nana so otamechi wose se nye obi fumkum na obi fumu nwa ko asantema ye nya ene ye lusu ankabrofo no be fa sika akọ sika dwakọ obi fumkum a fa face no na po jaba de ho mai
Obi da ho. Debi, dia no mo ye no mo ni da ho.
Ye tena ho ne ye so obi fumkum obi mfumu nwa. Ana ko mo fa.
But please let me announce my results.
Jakota omo fumkum ye di face wo mo.
Akosia and oyini ni enya nsia. Odo abuba. Enya nsia. Ana ko la kase ne bo abanya edu nsia.
Mo ye chemu class still more.
Oh, double class. That's it for Kofuku.
Share. Hey, Roman for Jesus Christ.
I was there for ever see animal.